Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Do you know how to address people in Chinese? Let's continue our Forms of Address series. We've already learned two third-person pronouns, ta and ta. Today, we're learning another one, ta. Yes, you heard that right. It's also pronounced ta. This character, ta, is a common pronoun used to refer to non-human things, like objects or animals. It's equivalent to it and its in English. The grammar functions of ta are the same as other pronouns. It can be used as a subject, an object, or to show possession. One important thing to remember, the character ta is used for non-human things. It can refer to an animal or an object, but not a person. For example, it is very cute and its eyes are big. 它很可爱，它的眼睛很大. Here, it is 它 and its is 它的. The character 它 isn't only used as the common pronoun for non-human things. In classical Chinese, it could also carry other meanings. For example, 其他 means other things. 他日 means someday in the future. But in modern Chinese, we usually replace ta with ta, the person radical form, when expressing that other meaning. So today, we more commonly use 其他 and 他日. We can extend that idea in Chinese when we talk about other countries. We can say 他国, meaning another country or foreign countries. In Oracle bone script, ta originally looked like a snake-like symbol. In the earliest stage, it referred to a snake, and later it was used as a general pronoun for non-human things. From the perspective of character origins, ta is a single-component character. But in modern handwriting, it's often understood as having a top-bottom structure because you can still see two parts. The top part looks like a roof called 宝盖头. The bottom part is 笔. In Chinese dictionaries, ta is also classified under the 宝盖头radical category. Let's practice writing ta. Follow the top to bottom rule. First, write the top part, the radical, 宝盖头. The stroke order is write a dot at the top center, then write a second dot on the lower left, make it slant down left. Next, starting above that second dot, write a horizontal stroke with a hook. The radical 宝盖头 looks like a little lid of a cup. Remember this radical because it appears in many Chinese characters. Now write the bottom part, 笔. First, write a short left falling stroke. Then, starting on the left side, write a vertical turning hook. It looks a bit like a spoon. And that's the complete character, ta. Did you get it? In modern Chinese, the meaning of other can be expressed with 其他 or 其他. But here's an important detail. 其他 uses ta with the person radical, so it can refer to other people, and by extension, it can also refer to other things. But 其他 uses the non-human pronoun ta, so it's mainly used for other things, not people. So be careful, don't use them in the wrong situation. Here's a quick challenge. If you want to say other colleagues, which word should you use? Leave your answer in the comments and follow for more. More fun Chinese character stories are coming soon.